How many ideas and outline you want to select here? I will select you. Creativity level, you can choose based on your need. Now real magic starts here. You can see we have two article title and outline. Now you can use it here, or ask ChatGPT to write article based on this outline. Let's copy and paste the blog heading and outline somewhere on Notepad. Now let's start writing. First select the blog section writing and header or topic, which is introduction, the rise of gaming in India. Also add the target keywords. You can also select the tone of the article. Now click on Write for Me. It will generate text based on the topic and keywords. Now repeat the process which you did for the first section of the article. In the free plan, they only allow 10,000 characters. But we have almost complete the article. You can see how good and fast this tool is to create article. Let's check how many word article we have now. Let's complete the article using ChatGPT. Thanks for tuning in. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing the power of AI. Have any questions or ideas for future content? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.